breeding marsh. This is an awesome area. Say it again right now.
What are you doing in this swamp?
Shrekian.
2.
There's an alligator in the bushes and he is calling my name.
That's what you almost did and got a gator killed.
Oh no, it's fine. I'm fine here. Do that again. You look like Dr. Grant from Jurassic Park. Do it again.
A complete pig threw a bottle down there.
That's horrible. Holy cow.
That zip line will...
Trace, look down. Do you see the size of this guy's head?
Yeah.
God, he's like the size of half my body. Just his head.
I don't know if those guys just have fun on there.
He's moving. He's moving.
Oh
my gosh.
Those guys just have fun on there.
You look like 2 idiots.
No, he made that noise last time.
Yeah, last time it was during mating season.
Well, Becky, it's spring. It's still probably beginning mating season. Check out the
there's
sand
another
hill.
one. A smaller one.
Oh boy.
Wow.
Oh, the zip line. There's different
It sounds like a raptor.
No, a raptor sounds like this.
No, it's like this.
The people are just gonna come by us. Are you alright?
Look at all the vultures. That's kind of a scary thing. Nobody get too close to the edge of the freaking railing here, please.
Oh, look at the fish.
I know. Look at this guy.
Here
Here comes the zip liner right over the gator marsh.
Fish in there.
Oh my God! Look at that. You gotta be out of your mind.
I feel like this should be a bit higher.
How come kids were riding it?
I don't know. Vultures, look up! Look up! Look
Oh
up!
my God.
Oh, look at that! These are all vultures.
I don't think I would feel really safe about getting on a zip line that was going over a gator pond and being circled by hundreds of vultures.
This is even better than over our place. Well, no, last time Daddy made him move. It's a mating call. It's a mating call.
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
Ooh.
Cow, maybe.
What?
He got something in his mouth and he was trying to eat.
Really?
Human.
I don't think so. Check out the sandhill.
Are you nuts, bird?
He's a symbiotic creature. He's waiting for the food that the alligator doesn't eat.
Out there.
Yeah, sure. What's going on? Oh, look how they're moving. And I almost just tripped over the balcony. Oh my God, look at them. Wow. Are people throwing stuff to them?
Yeah, they sell like little bits of hot dogs. Here's one right here, Mom.
Hang on, honey. I got a bunch of them over here. There's like 4 of them. Like 10 of them. Like too many of them for me to want to be too close. Jeez, look at those faces. Oh my God.
There's some on land too.
I'll be right there. Oh my God, look at these guys. They're huge. I'm going to be out of film long before we get to Golovers.
These guys eat every day. Feed them whole chicken.
They are awesome. Look at them. Jeez, look at the amount of...
They're like so
Trey,
tired.
stop doing that now. Is anybody else here feeding them? Oh, look at that. Check it out.
Whoa!
And the zip line goes out right over here. Oh my God. You gotta be crazy.
Oh, they're growling.
Growling, do you hear that? God, that's the sound of your nightmares.
Did you hear them growl?
Hang on, Trace. I really want to watch these guys.
What if them?
Look at them. Come look at this. Do you see them down in the water? Come stand behind me so you can see straight on. Look at how many are down there. Do you see them? Yeah, pretty big. Look at the size. Oh, what was... Oh, that's what the sandhill sounds like. He says, give me some hot dogs, man. I gotta get an up and down picture. God, look at the size of these guys.
Alright, what time is it?
Hang on, hang on.
Crocs and get the pictures.
Hang on.
Big guy in the middle though.
Do you not want to be done yet? This is what I came here to see. Oh my God.
No buffalo.
Oh my God. Listen to those teeth. Did you hear that clack together? Oh my God, look at those choppers.
Look at that big tooth.
Hang on, I'm not leaving right now. Wow.
They're like miniature islands.
God, look at the size of these things.
I wonder if they
Jeez.
keep them, like, in here.
I'm sure they probably breed themselves.
There's a zip line that goes out from there over these. No thanks. Look at these guys. Are these amazing or what? Look at their faces. Do you hear the growl? I just heard a growl.
Ooh.
Wow.
I don't know if stomping is the best idea.
Yeah, Trace, don't do that. Please.
So you closing time, Mom?
Yeah, I was... Babe, make your noise. Make your noise. Do it again. Do it again.
They don't care.
Well, last time it did.
Last time they were mating season.
Try it.
Yeah, he just
One more
did,
time.
Like, several
One more
times.
time. One more time. I want one to do what it did on the
But
railing
there's
last
a sign
time.
back there that says, like,
You can see this.
Gators make a lot.
Focus, please. Focus. Look at what's going on down there. Incredible. And this thing is wobbling. Holy crap. Look at them. They're all moving around. You see it? I hope this is not blurry. Okay. Pretty high up here. It's pretty cool. Check it out.
They're incredible.
Oh my god.